AST, SpaceMobile shares rise after FCC grants space license. The stock market is closing in 5 minutes, as you can see at the bottom right corner, and the stock is up at 22.10. We do have resistance at 23.28. If we can break that, we'll go to $25. And then the sky is the limit, because if we go way back in time, this stock did hit a high of $23 before pulling back and never ever seeing $23 again up until now. Now we have an opportunity for us to break $23 and blow past it and go to 25 and possibly 30. Just to show you an example, Palantir, it is getting ready to break this $30. It's been having a hard time breaking 30, but it is on the cusp of breaking out and going even higher. So breakouts, my friends, this is an opportunity to play the breakout. If you didn't buy the dip, I did not buy the dip. I was not aware of this stock until recently. So I have no choice but to play the breakout and set a stop loss. Just to be clear, you want to set a stop loss if you're playing the breakout. You don't want to buy at 23 and then hold the bag all the way back down to 10. It did that. I just showed you. It did that already once, and it could do it again. We don't know when the run is going to end, but we can take advantage of it if it's going to continue to create higher highs and higher lows. So with that out of the way, let's look at what caused the rise in share price. Regulators granted the company a license for space-based operations. The company, which is developing a space-based cellular network, said Monday that the U.S. Federal Communications Commission has granted an initial license that paves the way for the network to provide broadband services for everyday smartphones in the U.S., and they are now authorized to launch and operate 3 different frequencies that will support gateway, feeder link, and telemetry tracking and control operations for its 5 commercial satellites. First, by the way, they're just starting out with 5. We'll get more down the line. This regulatory milestone is a significant step towards targeting 100% nationwide coverage from space of the continental United States on premium cellular spectrum. So that is bullish because it's only the first 5. As we get more out there and as we start to get more coverage across the U.S., more money in their pockets as more people switch over. Because a lot of people are going to have to switch over, I imagine. But look, we're sitting at 22.27. The stock, where are the sellers? The sellers, even with Nvidia and the market as a whole dumping the past couple of days and last week Friday. Look what happened. This one held. It held down here at 1776. For all intents and purposes, here is where the stock recently bottomed out. Here's where we had the breakout today. And as you can see, we broke out above 20, and we're at 22.7. If we can get a break at about 23, that previous big level that we had a hard time getting over way back in 2021, if we can get over that, 25 to 30 is absolutely possible, and that is what I'm watching out for. Especially, let me see, where is the volume? I need some volume here. Well, again, buyers, they're here. And if they continue to be here, we're going to see a massive breakout on this stock. And I am very bullish on it. Again, please have a stop loss. Don't just buy it and then hold it back down to $10. You don't want to be that guy. Take the small loss, move on. If we switch over to the smaller time frames here, the 5-minute time frame, you'll notice there are a lot of dip buying opportunities at the 200 exponential moving average, at least on the 5-minute chart. So either wait for a pullback or buy on a crossover on the MACD. If we're going to continue to break out, you will get plenty of crossovers on the MACD, because that's what needs to happen in order for the buying pressure to continue creating those higher highs and higher lows, which you can even see here on the lower time frames. Here's the higher high, here's the higher low, higher high, higher low, and so on and so forth. So it depends entirely on your strategy. This is my strategy. Again, as long as a stock has bullish momentum, we will continue to see those crossovers and that bullish breakout to the upside. That's it for the video, guys. If this is your first time visiting the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. I love stocks like ASTS, SoundHound AI, AI stocks, Tesla, you name it. I talk about it all here. Don't forget to hit that like button to spread word on the video. I'll see you in the next one.